A lot of people have been talking to me and asking me about Slate EV. They are a new automotive company that is making a fully electric pickup truck and SUV, and it's called a blank slate. If you haven't heard about them, go check them out. Super cool. First off, I absolutely love Slate. They are an open source company. They are doing right to repair. They've got removable plastic body panels that the customer can replace themselves. They're using like manual crank windows. They are doing a ton of stuff right. So I'm a huge fan of them. But here's a reality check. That base two-door blank slate truck starts at $25,000. If you want the double seat SUV format, it's a minimum of $30,000, probably going to be pushing you closer to $40,000. That is a whole lot of money for working families, and it really puts that car payment probably completely out of reach. This is exactly why I'm moving forward with Kainos EV, even when Slate exists. I want to deliver a sub $10,000 conversion kit, which salvages old vehicles and keeps them on the road for regular Americans. Again, I love Slate's DIY methodology, but it's also a brand new vehicle. They're taking pre-orders now. They're not even going to start shipping until later this year, hopefully. We've seen other manufacturers where things get a little complicated. I am planning on doing this two-row manual transmission SUV to just prove the concept. Then I want to turn it into an open source kit that anybody can use. My goal is to build more of a movement, to build a nonprofit, not a corporate brand, not something that we're going to try to take public, not something that is going to be controlled by VCs, by venture capitalists or private equity firms. But I need your help to get this information out there, to get this channel out there. So I need you to zap the like button. I need you to plug in the subscribe button. I need you to complete the circuit by leaving a comment so that it helps with the algorithm to push this video out so that I'm able to get this information out. We've got to start building a follower base so I can talk about what's going to happen, that I can talk about the parts, that I can talk about the plan, so I can start formulating everything and getting it put together. I need your help, and the only thing you have to do is push a subscribe button so that that number count goes up and I can gather more people so that we can build this movement together. We deserve vehicles that don't die and put us into generational debt. Kainos EV.